The RMS Titanic, a name synonymous with both luxury and tragedy, remains an iconic emblem of the perils that can befall even the most celebrated marvels of human engineering. The construction of the Titanic was a testament to the ambition and innovation of the early 20th century. The ship was designed by naval architect Thomas Andrews, with state-of-the-art features including a double-hull design, watertight compartments, and an advanced communication system. Commissioned by the White Star Line, the Titanic was built in the Harland and Wolff shipyard in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Its grandeur was unparalleled, boasting luxurious amenities such as a swimming pool, gymnasium, Turkish bath, and even a Parisian café. The Titanic embarked on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England, on April 10, 1912, en route to New York City. On board were over 2,200 passengers and crew members, representing a cross-section of society, from wealthy industrialists and celebrities to immigrants seeking a better life in America. The ship's voyage proceeded smoothly for the initial days, with passengers reveling in the luxury and comfort it offered. However, on the night of April 14, disaster struck. At approximately 11:40 p.m. on April 14, the Titanic struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic. The impact caused a series of punctures along the ship's starboard side, compromising its watertight compartments. The crew's valiant efforts to contain the flooding proved futile, as the ship's design allowed for only 4 compartments to be flooded without the vessel sinking. As the frigid waters of the Atlantic rushed into the Titanic, panic and chaos ensued. The ship's radio operators sent distress signals, which were picked up by nearby vessels, including the RMS Carpathia. Despite the valiant rescue efforts, the Titanic's lifeboats were insufficient to accommodate all passengers and crew. As a result, more than 1,500 lives were lost to the freezing waters that night. News of the Titanic's sinking sent shockwaves around the world. Grief and anger reverberated through communities as stories emerged of lives lost and families torn apart. The disaster prompted international calls for safer maritime regulations, leading to the convening of inquiries in the United States and the United Kingdom. The most notable inquiry was led by Lord Mersey in the UK, investigating the circumstances surrounding the disaster. The inquiry revealed shortcomings in the ship's safety measures, crew training, and lifeboat capacity. These findings prompted a series of reforms in maritime safety practices, including the establishment of the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, SELAS, which still governs maritime safety standards today. The sinking of the Titanic left an indelible mark on popular culture and collective memory. Countless books, films, documentaries, and exhibitions have explored the tragedy from various angles. Perhaps the most famous retelling is James Cameron's 1997 film Titanic, which achieved critical acclaim and became a cultural phenomenon, thrusting the disaster back into the public consciousness. The story of the Titanic also serves as a cautionary tale about human hubris and the limits of technology. The belief that the ship was unsinkable led to complacency and a lack of preparedness for such an unforeseen catastrophe. This lesson continues to resonate in modern society, reminding us of the importance of humility and diligence in the face of complex challenges. For decades, the wreckage of the Titanic remained hidden beneath the depths of the North Atlantic. In 1985, a joint American-French expedition led by Dr. Robert Ballard located the wreckage, resting at a depth of over 12,000 feet. The discovery brought the Titanic's haunting remnants to light, including the iconic bow and stern sections. Efforts to preserve the site and honor the memory of those who perished have been ongoing. However, the wreck has also faced threats from natural deterioration and potential human intrusion. Debates have arisen over the ethical considerations of visiting the site and potentially disturbing the final resting place of the victims. The sinking of the Titanic is a tragedy that transcends time, reminding us of the fragility of human endeavors in the face of nature's might. The ill-fated voyage of this magnificent vessel has left an indelible mark on history, inspiring tales of heroism, sacrifice, and the resilience of the human spirit. The Titanic's legacy serves as a poignant reminder that even the grandest achievements can be humbled by the forces of nature, and that the lessons learned from this catastrophe continue to shape maritime safety measures and cultural narratives to this day.